How to remove sub-item column in monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can remove a sub-item column on monday.com. So for example, if you're working on monday.com and you feel the need to remove a sub-item column, just follow this video and by the end of it you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into monday.com. Once when you log in, you can see that you will be redirected to this home page here. So let's open one of the home pages. So for example, I'm working on this board right now, and let's open this because I have added sub items here in the screen item. So you can see there are 4 sub items right here. Now, if I want to remove a column, what I can do, I can click here on these 3 dots and I can click on delete. Deleting it will remove the column, and we can also undo the action. And if we do it, the column will be right back. So click here, click on delete. It will remove the column right away, a sub-item column, and we can click on undo and bring it back. But if we want to remove the entire sub-item, what we can do is we can click on hide, and here what we can do is we can click on sub-item, and all the sub-items will be removed right away. You can see that all the data in the sub-item columns have been removed. But if we want to remove a specific column, again, we can just click here and it will be gone. So we can also do it this way, by clicking on the specific columns and it will be gone. Like if I click on owner, it will be gone. If I click on status, it will be gone. It will be hidden. We can just click here and bring it back. If we want to remove the entire 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, we can click here and every column will be gone right away. We can click here again and it will be brought back. The third way of doing it is we can come here. Oh, sorry. Give me a minute. We can come here and click on collapse. Where can we find collapse? Let's just see where can we find collapse. And it is going to collapse it right away. Here you go. Let's find collapse. Here it is. Collapse this item and we click it here. Here you go. It is collapsed, but let's do it one more time. Click on collapse all items, and here you go. It has collapsed, but it's not gonna remove it. It's still gonna be there. So I would say that's the better way to do it. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.